Hola, mi nombre es Angel Jiménez y tengo 20 años y vivo en Kingsville, Texas. I don't speak that much Spanish because I didn't really learn it much growing up, but I am learning and I think being here on the show will really help me learn. I just know a few words. Tengo talento, música, tacos, abuela, mariachi, novio. Yes, I have a novio.
Angel.
Hello, Angel. How you doing?
I'm good, and you?
All right. You don't speak in Spanish?
No.
Don't worry. I got you.
Okay.
Bilingual. Trilingual.
Where are you from, Angel?
I'm from Kingsville, Texas.
All right.
Oh.
What do you do for a living over there?
I'm a college student and I'm studying music education.
All right.
Angel, but you have to learn Spanish. Are you studying the language?
Yes.
Okay.
My teacher told me to download Duolingo, so.
Yeah. You see that? Look. Carolina Ross, she's learning English and she's doing pretty well. You know, hop by hop. que vas brinquito a brinquito.
No se ha pelado, hombre.
Which song are you performing tonight, Ángel?
Tata Dios.
Tata Dios.
La versión
Do you understand the lyrics?
Yes.
Okay.
Venga, mi amor, ¿tienes talento?
Mucho talento. Todo se queda en silencio, solo Juan le dice a ella: verás qué lindos hilotes se están dando en la lareda, pero ya no quiero nada, voy a regalar la siembra, Tata Dios así lo quiere, y con y con Tana de juega. Tata Dios. Tata Dios. Tata Dios. Me está
Mira, independientemente del idioma que ella transmite, que entiende la canción, que yo sé que sí la entiende. Amazing. Your voice is beautiful.
Thank you.
Yo sí le voy a dar mi pase, pero...
I'll give you my pass too.
Sí, la verdad.
Yeah.
¿Por qué?
My pass too.
Gracias, gracias.
Angel, it makes me feel like you were understanding every word. I give you my pass.
Sorry, I have to congratulate her que she's doing amazing on her English classes. You know,
No se ha pelado,
vete
hombre. Y está
despacito,
haciendo
vas muy bien, brinquito, brinquito, como las ranitas.
Ok.
Hey, Angel, you leave with the 5 passes tonight, okay?
Thank you so much.
Right, Angel.
Gracias.
Congratulations.
Take it to...
Congratulations. Stay here with us. Stay
Thank
here with us. I just wanted to say congratulations.
Thank you.
You were definitely the best of the night, and I think that's what we all took from it.
Yes.
A ver si hacen como que los que entienden este party, la verdad.
Están así como, oye.
Digan una palabra, muchachos, ahí, hombre.
Oh, yes.
Ángel.
Yes.
Guess what?
A ver, Pelillo, espérame, tradúzcanme lo que dijo Luis Coronel, pues.
Can you repeat the question, please? Squeeze me.
Squeeze me.
Mi hermano va a traducir para que vean que sí sabemos. Pero rapidito, que me duelen mis 100. ¿Las qué? Las tienes. Are you excited to the next round?
Very.
Yeah, dice que le gusta mucho cenar pozole con tostadas. Dice.
What's your favorite Mexican food?
my mom's enchiladas.
¿Qué dijo?
Dice que está enchilada porque Luis no sabe platicar con ella.
Como que no tiene muy fluido el inglés y se enchila, dice. Pero bueno,
ok.
es normal. Es
Muy
normal.
bien.
Have you ever had a Mexican boyfriend? Don't lie to me now. No, never had.
¿Qué le preguntó, Luisito?
Que le hace falta más ejercitar los rabbits.
¿Los qué?
Los conejos.
But